Hi friends, it's Denise. Welcome back to my channel. And if this is the first time that you ever been to my channel, hiya! Welcome! I'm glad you're here. I am the Potty Mouth Yogi. Today I'm going to do a cooking video, well, not even cooking, but a put together video for hummus. Yes, hummus. I love hummus. Now, maybe some of you were thinking like, really Denise, hummus? I mean, come on. But I didn't know how to make hummus, so I'm like, okay, I can't be the only one who didn't know how to make hummus, so maybe I should do an instructional video on that. So here we are. The other reason why I wanted to do an instructional video on hummus is because I've been talking about staple items in my refrigerator. Hummus is absolutely one of them. I could easily go out and buy hummus from the store, but if you ever check the labels on the hummus in the store, they use oil. I am not going to be using oil today. And the mere fact that hummus to me goes with pretty much anything. Like, I like to use it if I'm gonna use a dish and I need a little bit of a kick, I can smear hummus on it or have it on the side when I'm coming in after picking or dropping off kids and like notch on it. I just feel like it's a vital thing to have in my refrigerator for me because that's one of my go-tos. I'm really hungry in between meals, and sometimes that happens because when you're eating vegetables, your body's like, yeah, we need a little more than you think we do. So we're gonna make some hummus today. Thank you for tuning in. Let's get down to business. Let's make some hummus. Today we're going to be using 1 can of organic garbanzo beans. We're also going to be using about 2 tablespoons, maybe more, of organic tahini. We're going to juice an entire lemon. Use 2 cloves of garlic, 1 big, 1 small. Sometimes when I use 2 big ones, it comes out with too much of a garlic kick and you stink. And then we have some sea salt. We're going to use about a teaspoon, maybe less of that. And then of course we have some water. The water to make it the consistency that you want. All right, friends, you ready to put together? Let's go, come on in. Alrighty friends, do you see this fabulousness going on right here? Delicious. I did a little taste test as you can see. So, my next thing is you cannot have hummus unless you have chips. Hold that thought. I'm going to get right on it and show you what I learned from Carb Hannah. So check her out too. I'm actually going to put her little link at the bottom, down under, in the description box. Anyway, hang tight. bet you didn't know that I could floss like a boss. So now I got myself some pita chips. By the way, those pitas that I just showed you, they have 3 ingredients in them. 3. Corn, water, and lime. All right, so here's my deal as far as hummus is concerned and this pita chips that I'm making. I think the biggest thing that I wanted to share with you guys is just to stay away from processed food. You saw how quick this took me, although it was on a fast forward kind of thing, but it's really easy to make. Do it, do yourself a favor. Besides the fact, let me tell you something, it's really impressive when you have a bunch of people over, you pull out your Ninja, you make some hummus. I mean, it's really good. Anyway, so here we are. I have my toasted pita chips, salted lightly. I have my delicious garlic lemon hummus, off the hook. So let's do a taste test. Let's see how this is working out. Oh my God, it's so good. It's so good. This is a great snack to have. By the way, anybody out there, don't fear carbs. Carbs are good for you, man. When they're in their most natural state. We're talking garbanzo beans. There's so much fiber in it. It's crazy how much fiber is in it. Anyway, I gotta go. I got some hummus to eat. Don't forget, share, like, subscribe, wherever. Thank you for watching so much, friends. Hold on, I'll put my chip down for you. Namaste.